Today, I think we have to discuss about the conversion of binary to decimal. If I'm not, I can remember that we, in the previous class, we started the discussion about conversion of binary numbers to decimal numbers. So let us start without wasting the time. Before that, okay, let me start sharing. It's taking some time to load up. Now you can see the screen now. So today we are going to discuss about भाई क्यों नहीं आ जाते हो जल्दी तुम लोग कन्वर्शन ऑफ बाइनरी टू decimal. Hopefully, in the previous class, I had said you the rules and given you the standard rules of converting a binary number to a decimal number. In the previous class, I think I had said you about the rules. Now, let us take some examples. Say 1110111. We need to convert this binary number to decimal. So how we do that? First we write from the beginning 1110111. Then we need to put the positional value, say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now what we need to do, we have to then we need to write the product of this. So 2 to the power 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. So 1 into 2 is 2. 2 square equals to 4. 2 cube but multiplied by 0. So it becomes 0. 2 to the power 4, 16. 2 to the power 5, 32. And 2 to the power 6 is 64. Now add them all. So 2, 3, 7, and 6, 13, plus 2, 15, plus 4, 19. Carry 1, 7, 10, 11. So what we got? 119. So we can write this is equals to 119. Now, whether my answer is correct or whether we had did the uh, calculation correctly, we need to verify. So how we verify? We again convert 119 to binary. So how to do that? We divide it by 2. 5 2s are 10, 5, then remainder 1, and 9, 19. So 5 nines are 18, remainder is 1. Then we divide it by 2 again, 2 twos are 4, remainder 1, 2 nines are 18, remainder 1. Then we divide it by 2, 2 14s are 28, remainder 1. Divided by 2, 7, 2 sevens are 14, remainder 0. Then we divide it by 2 again, 2 threes are 6, remainder 1. Then we divide it by 2 again, 2 ones are 2, remainder 1. We need not to divide 1. So we write it in reverse order. So what we get? 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. That means our calculation over here is correct. So this way, you need to verify, sometimes you need to verify your answer, whether you had did it properly or not. So not feeling well. Okay, now that's all. So hopefully all of you can convert any number, any binary number to decimal number and any decimal number to binary number. Now, if anybody have any doubt, or any problem, you can raise your hand to understand that. If anybody have any problem, you can raise your hand now. Hopefully, none of you have the problem, but still, if anyone have, this is okay. Nobody have any problem, isn't it? Then we'll be moving on to our next section. And the next part is addition of binary numbers. Addition of binary numbers. When we do addition of binary number, you have to memorize that it is not as simple as the decimal number. 1 plus 1 doesn't becomes 2. Here 1 plus 1 becomes 10. 1 plus 1 becomes 10. 10 plus 1 is 11, but 11 plus 1 is 100. You have to memorize that. What you need to memorize is the addition, in the addition of binary numbers. It is not as you had did in case of decimals. In case of decimals, 1 plus 1 becomes 2, 10 plus 1 becomes 11, and 11 plus 1 becomes 12. But here, in case of binary case decimals, binary numbers, 1 plus 1 is 10. So what is now we are going to understand about the addition of binary numbers. Correct? So when we do the addition of binary numbers, what is the rule? The rule is number 1, 0 plus 0 equals to 0. 0 plus 1 equals to 1. 1 plus 0 equals to 1. And 1 plus 1 equals to 10. Correct. Now, let us take some example. We want to add how we do that? 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1. And 1 plus 1, is 10. Clear? Hopefully. Now take another example, 1 1 0 1 1 1. Now we add so 1 plus 1, it is 10. So 0 of 10 and the remainder is 1. 1 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Now it is 1 and the remainder is 1 again. So 1 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. The remainder is, carry is 1. 1 plus 1, 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. Carry 1. And 1 plus 1 becomes 10. Hopefully, this is clear. Hopefully, I'm not confirmed about it. So if you need, I'm trying to explain the thing again. Just listen it once more. 1 plus 1, it becomes 0. We have carry 1. So 1 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. So what we draw? We draw 1 and the carry 1 over here. We write it. We wrote it, the carry 1. Now 1 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 10. We have a carry 1. 1 plus 1, 11 plus 1. Sorry, 1 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. Carry 1. And 1 plus 1 becomes 10. So this is the answer. Now, we can also verify whether our answer is correct or incorrect. For that, what we need? First, we need to convert these people 15 minutes late after. Now, let us check this one. What is the decimal number? We get the decimal number, then we get the decimal number. If the decimal summation is correct, then the binary summation is also correct. So first of all, let us convert 1 1 0 1 1 1. I'm doing it in my process, that is 1 2 4 8 16 32. So 32 plus 16, 48, 48 plus 4, 52, 52 and 2, 54 and 1, 55. Now we take this number, this one, okay. So it is 1 1 1 1 1. So once again 1 2 4 8 16. So 16 plus 8, 24 plus 4, 28 plus 2, 30 plus 1, 31. Now we add them up. It must be 86. Now let us check this number. So it is 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. Once again, we write in the same form. 1. We don't write 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Now add them up. 64 plus 16. It is equals to 80, 84, and 2, 86. That means our summation, this math, what we had tried to solve is correct. There is no problem. Now, this way, you can also check your answers. This way, you can also check your answers. Okay. Now, do anybody have any problem? That is my duty to ask. Although I can continue without asking you. Okay, no problem again. Is there any problem? Anybody have? Those who came late? That is not my decision. So once again, we're going to take one more example of addition. One more example of addition of binary. Then we will understand subtraction. One more, just one more. So let us take a number, say the number is 10110111. Okay, now 10110, and we calculate, say it one more over here, and we calculate 11111. That's three stage now. Now in this three stage, what you have to do, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 becomes 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11, and plus 1, 11 plus 1 is 100. Carry 10. 1 plus 1, 10. Carry 1. Now 1 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11 plus 1, 100. Carry 10. 1 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. Carry 1. So 1 plus 1 becomes 10. It is a huge number, isn't it? But there are questions in your book also like this. 3 stage or 3 numbers or 4 numbers. We have to add 3 numbers or 4 numbers. Hopefully this is not very clear to you. किसी को प्रॉब्लम है हाथ उठाओ, इंडिकेशन दो, so that I can understand that you have some problem and I can clear them accordingly. So still now I cannot see any hands. That means all of you are very good in maths. That indicates all of you are very good in maths. So I need not to discuss anything. So we can move to the next section of and the next section of this chapter is the subtraction of decimal number. Binary number. Subtraction of binary number. Now let us take an example of 10111010. Now subtract it from 11000. When you do the subtraction, the rules are 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then we have the remaining digits. That's very simple, isn't it? That's very simple. But there are complications too. Now, this is the example where we had simply did the subtraction without borrowing. Now, all the time, That doesn't happen. Sometimes we need to borrow also. So how we do when we borrow? How we do when we borrow? So let us take some example. Correct. Now, 0 minus 1, is it possible? No. So what happens? We try to borrow 1 from here. We try to borrow 1 from here. So if we borrow 1 from here, and we can observe there is a 0. So what happens? We borrow 1 from here. So if we borrow 1 from here, this particular digit, this one, becomes 10, and this becomes a 0. Correct? Now we have 10 over here. We can borrow 1 from here. So if we borrow 1 from here, so this 10 will become 1. And we have a 10 here. मुश्किल हो गया ना समझना? अब मुश्किल हुआ, समझ में आया? बोरो करना कितना मुश्किल है? Now let me explain it once again. I'm writing it a little bigger now. 1 0 1 0, sorry, 1 0 1 1 0 0. Then we subtract 1 1 1 1. फिर से समझा रहा है? बढ़िया से समझ लो. I'll be not repeating this again. Now we cannot subtract 1 from 0. 0 से 1 subtract नहीं कर सकते हैं. So what we need to borrow something from here. And when we try to borrow, we can observe there is a 0. तो यहां से तो कुछ मिलने वाला था नहीं. Now what we do, we need to borrow from here. ठीक? यहां से जब 1 बोरो करेंगे तो इसका वैल्यू होगा 10 और ये 1 हो जाएगा 0. समझ में आया? Now still our work what we actually need to do is not fulfilled. अभी तक इसका वैल्यू 0 ही रह गया. तो हम लोग को क्या करना है, यहां से अब 1 बोरो करना है. जब यहां से 1 बोरो करेंगे तो ये बन जाएगा 10 और ये 10 खुद बन जाएगा 1. समझ में आया? Now you can subtract. 10 minus 1 is 1. Now 1 minus 1 is 0. फिर से यहां पे क्या है? 0 है. तो हम लोग को फिर यहां से बोरो करना होगा. तो यहां आएगा 10 और ये हो जाएगा 0. अब 10 minus 1 is 1. अब अगला हिस्सा क्या हो गया? 0 minus 1. पॉसिबल नहीं है. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? यहां से बोरो करने की कोशिश करेंगे. नहीं है. यहां से बोरो करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 10. फिर यहां से यहां बोरो करेंगे तो यहां हो जाएगा 10 और ये 10 हो जाएगा 1. So now we can subtract. 10 minus 1 is 1. There is nothing. So we write down the same number and this one had already become a 0. So this is the result. चेक कर लेते हैं कि सही है कि गलत है. तो नंबर क्या लिखे थे? 1 0 0 1 0 0. इसका वैल्यू 1 नहीं लिखेंगे, 2 नहीं लिखेंगे, 4 8 16 32. इसका वैल्यू हो गया 36. अब इसका वैल्यू लिखते हैं 1 1 1 1 1 2 4 8. 4 और 8 और 4 12 और 2 14 और 1 15. बचा कितना? 1 2 21 हुआ. दिस इज डेसिमल कन्वर्शन, है ना, डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट किए। अब इस नंबर को अगर हम लोग चेंज कर लेते हैं, ये वाले नंबर अगर चेंज हो करके 21 बन जाता है, तो हम लोग का ये जो सब्ट्रैक्शन है ये सही होगा। चेक करते हैं, तो इसका वैल्यू लिखते हैं 1, 2 नहीं लिखेंगे, 4, 8 और 16। कुछ गड़बड़ा है? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. There must be some mistake over here. 1 0 0 1 0 0 सही है, तो इसका वैल्यू 1 2 4 8 16 32, 32 प्लस 4 36 सही है। और ये हो गया 1 2 4 8, 8 4 12 2 14 1 15, ये भी सही है। सब्ट्रैक्शन करने पे 1 2 ये भी सही है, तो ये गड़बड़ाया हुआ है। तो 16 एंड 8 24 एंड 4 28 एंड 1 29 आ रहा है। Somewhere we did mistake, so we need to check out again. I'm going to solve it once again. We had made mistake, not you, I made mistake. So फिर से उसी नंबर को चेक करेंगे। So the number is, now I'm going to do it little bigger, 1 0 0 1 0 0 और 1 1 1 1। तो 1 2 4 8 16 32, 32 एंड 4, इसका वैल्यू होता है 36, 1 and 2 3 and 2 7 and 8, इसका वैल्यू होता है 15। We are running out of time. You can observe. Now let us do the subtraction once again. तो यहां से subtraction start करते हैं। 10 minus 1, it is 1. So where we have to borrow 10 from here. So there was 10, means it converts to 1, और ये हो जाएगा 0. तो 1 minus 1 is 0. We cannot do, so this becomes 0, this becomes 1, this becomes 1, and this becomes 10. तो ये हो जाएगा 10 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, and this becomes 1 only. Yes. Now let us convert it. So it becomes 1, 2 नहीं, 4, ये नहीं, 8, 16. So it becomes 21. Now see, we had did it correctly. Last time कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया था. So you can understand that how to use the borrowing method while subtraction. समझ में आया भी होगा, बहुत लोगों को नहीं आया होगा. So for that reason, you can, you know what you have to do. You can revise it from the book or from the video. Okay, let me take the attendance and stop the sharing of the screen now. So let me take the attendance because that is very important. Yeah. Now for today's attendance, standard 7B. Yes, 7B. Who is the first one? Abhishek Kumar. Abhishek Kumar. Then we have Aishwarya Gupta. Aishwarya Gupta. Then we have Akshay Kumar. Akshay Kumar. Then Arida Tahreen. Arida Tahreen. Then we have Arun Kumar. And Arun Kumar P. Sorry, Aryan Kumar. I made mistake. Aryan Kumar P is there. Ayush Raj. कहाँ है भाई? Ayush Raj is there. Okay. Now we have Chahat Kushnur. Chahat Kushnur is there. Then Deepika Tudu. Okay. Then Krish Valotia. Then we have Manjeet Kumar. Then we have MD Kaif Ahmed. Then Naman Anand. Where is Naman Anand? I didn't the name. Then we have Navanya Kunjal. Then we have Nishant Mani Sahai. I think I had seen it. Yes, Nishant Mani Sahai. Then we have Prerna Rani. Then we have Satyam Kumar. We have Shivam Kumar. ये कहाँ चल गया भाई? शिवम कुमार का नाम नहीं दिख रहा है. Then we have Shreya Kesari. शिवम कुमार से बाद में बात करेंगे. Then Siddhi Priya. Then we have Shubh Anand. Vaishnavi Modi. Vaishnavi is not there. Now we don't have two people. One is Vaishnavi, another one is Shivam Kumar. No, Vaishnavi, I've seen you somewhere else, I think. Vaishnavi. भाई दूजन का नाम नहीं है. So let me. दीपशिखा. अच्छा, आपका छूट गया. Deepshikha. Yes, Deepshikha, you can lower your hand. I had given you attendance. Deepshikha attendance दे दी है. अच्छा, अब बात करते हैं सबसे पहले शिवम कुमार. शिवम. Yes sir. क्या हो रहा है? तुम्हारा नाम तो नहीं है.
सर उस क्लास में मेरा नाम नहीं लिखाया था.
किस क्लास में?
सर पिछला क्लास में सर मैं टाइम अप हो गया था.
अच्छा ठीक, पिछला क्लास में टाइम अप हो गया था, याद आया, हमको याद है. तो शिवम कुमार है ना? शिवम कुमार. फादर्स नेम शिवम?
ब्रजेश कुमार सर.
ब्रजेश कुमार.
यस सर.
ओके, ब्रजेश कुमार. पिछला क्लास में भी अटेंडेंस नहीं हुआ था, है ना? हम दे दिए, ठीक है.
यस.
Okay, then okay. Now let me talk to one more fellow, that is Vaishnavi. Yes, Vaishnavi. उत्कर्ष तुम्हारा हो गया? उत्कर्ष.
Yes sir.
चलो, उत्कर्ष का अटेंडेंस दे दिए. वैष्णवी, तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं पहले अब. Yes, Vaishnavi.
Yes sir.
You are in 7B only.
Yes sir.
New admission, is it? Are you new, Vaishnavi?
No sir.
But there is no name actually, so I have to write it somewhere. अब किसको हटाए किसको डाले समझ में नहीं आता है। चलो लास्ट में जरा सा लिख लेते हैं, VAISHNA, वैष्णवी मोदी। सो वैष्णवी, व्हाट इज योर फादर्स नेम?
Niranjan
Vaishnavi?
Modi.
Birender? Birender?
Niranjan. No, sir.
Niranjan? Spell
Yes,
it
sir.
out. Spell it out better.
N-I.
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 Hmm.
R-A.
Hmm.
N.
Hmm.
A-N.
Hmm.
Kumar.
Okay. So this is your first class, isn't it?
Yeah, no, sir.
You okay? I'm giving you one more attendance. So both of your days attendance is done, Vaishnavi. So uh, that's all. All your attendance are done now. If anybody have any problem, you know where you can find my videos. So that will be uploaded in the evening and you can watch it to clarify if you have any doubt remaining in addition and subtraction of binary. So that's all for today. We have only 15 minutes or something like that. So you can understand it will automatically goes off. Our class will automatically goes off. Okay, have a nice day and get prepared for the next class.